in the heart of Qazipur village. A construction crew faced a daunting task: lifting heavy blocks onto the roof of a new building. The traditional method of moving the blocks, one by one, was proving to be slow and laborious. Workers were tired and frustrated, and the project was falling behind schedule. Then Mason Zia, a man of extraordinary skill and resource, stepped forward. He got an idea. Using an iron girder as a base, he made a wooden die that would act as a slide. The plan was simple. Blocks would be placed on the die, and then the die would be slid up to the ceiling. At first, other workers were skeptical. They doubted that such a simple device could handle the weight of the heavy blocks. But the architect had faith. He assured them that he had carefully calculated the weight and strength of the material. With a mixture of excitement and trepidation, my friend Saddam, who came to meet me and started helping me, placed the first block. Slowly but surely, the die began to move upwards, pulled by a rope. To their surprise, the block reached the top without a problem. One by one, the blocks were lifted to the roof. A testament to the genius of Ziala Usted. They had learned a valuable lesson. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, even the most difficult tasks can be overcome.
Good.